Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 11th of December, and this is our weekly recap going out to all my members as well as people who follow me on YouTube and my email list. I hope everybody's doing well. First of all, happy holidays to everybody. Those that celebrate Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. I know that started yesterday. Uh, Christmas is coming, Kwanzaa, New Year's. It's the holiday season. If you want to learn more about me, please go to smartoptiontrading.com. Link is in the description below, and it'll tell you everything about what I do. So let's talk about this week because this week was definitely not the easiest of weeks, but there was a lot to do. So if you look at this week and you come back here to Monday, you had this tight range candle, this big move on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we got an ugly candle, right? Market flashed a massive warning sign saying, hey, don't be too complacent. Closed on the 8 day. Yesterday we bounced, could not break through the 8 day. Today on the SPY, we bounced, we can't break through the 8 day. So what's this mean? It means right now the market is saying it's not happy, it's tired, it's unsure. Pick something. Stimulus talks continue to go on. Um, you have a no exit Brexit that's coming, and the coronavirus is waging. But pretty much for all the headlines coming on the coronavirus, the market just says yawn and just moves on. So for this market to gain traction, we got to get back over the 8 day. Now, Mondays have been notoriously big for gap up days. Last couple not so good. So we'll see. Elsewhere, the IWM has been in fuego and on fire. And you can look at this move, riding the 8 day. Here, Wednesday's weakness didn't even hit the 8 day yesterday, bounced off of it. Today, bounced off of it. Looking different. Value plays. Value's where the money's going right now. QQQ, very much like the SPY, bouncing here off the 21 day. Diamonds, kind of mixed. A little bit more like the SPY, a little bit less like the IWM, but right back above the 8 day here. Again, value names. So the market continues to act fairly strong here as we go in. So what was to do this week? Well, Boeing gave trades this week. You had a nice move here in Boeing in this. Now, I made nice money on Boeing on Monday. I had a horrific day with it on yesterday. And it happens, right? Chased, got caught, took a loss, then it went up. Boeing's consolidating, but Boeing still looks good. Facebook gave some trades this week. There was flow in that, but not holding in here. News of the lawsuit out. Snap all-time highs this week. Nice move there. Twitter gave a beautiful trade yesterday. Look at this move and holding in today. On news they're integrating with Snap. Nice action in um, some of the what do you call social media companies. PDD was a beautiful one. PDD gave a barn burner trade to me on here on Tuesday, and then it engulfed it and said goodnight on Wednesday. This market right now is you can't stick in things for too long. Whatever's going on, you got to get in, you got to get out, you got to place your bets. Where you want to go, and just be careful. Tesla gave a couple of trades on Monday as well. Beautiful move here. All-time highs on Wednesday, sold off on two downgrades, but it's holding in better than it should. A lot of money still flowing into Tesla here. Palantir kind of hung out this week, didn't do as much, had flow in it. What else? We had Disney. Disney today had a move for the ages. Look at this move on Disney today. Gap up on one of the best investor days I've seen in a long time, very much outlining exactly how they're going to kick everybody's you know what in the streaming space and in the movies. And if you're an investor in Netflix, or if you're Netflix right now, you need to be very concerned. Very, very concerned. By the way, Twitter here as we're talking, July 60 calls coming in. They're opening 700 plus more. So we've been seeing consistent flow back into Twitter. So a lot of names traded well this week. There was things to do every day this week. Roku put in new all-time highs this week, traded that for a bit. Chewy put in new all-time highs after earning, very, very strong. Rocket had big time flow. This name just trades ugly. AI, recent IPO, pushed to all-time highs, gave trades. So did ATVI, had big flow. That gave trades as well. There were trades all over, but you just couldn't overstay your welcome. And a lot of the trades were under the covers. What wasn't so good this week? The semis not trading so well this week. AMD down all week, not holding in. NVIDIA really just not acting special here at all at this point, going sideways. What else? Give me some. Qualcomm had a great week to all-time highs and then dumping today on news that Apple's building their own modems. Taiwan Semi, another one, it's all-time highs this week and pulling back. So the semi's getting a little bit of a rest. Just good RX flow into that gap, and you see that one here, a very strong move today as well. So bottom line is the market's saying there's still a lot to good. Oh, GE, this one I've been sitting in now forever. Nice move here on this as well. Look at this new range high, pushing up higher. The market here just continues to give trades. It continues to give good trades. You just have to look for them. And what we do here is we focus on that. We focus on finding what's in play that day, and we go and we trade it, and we take trades on it, and make money. So bottom line is I hope everybody had a good week. It was not the easiest week in the world. Very choppy week. A lot of time spent sitting on my hands, just trying not to do anything. Got myself in a hole, dug myself out of it. And these things will happen. It's about doing that and then finishing the week nice, bright and green and moving on. So I hope everybody's doing great. Hope we have a nice week and enjoy the holidays. And I'll catch you on Monday morning.